after 2 days of solid sanding and staining, we're gonna finally build the porch. Happy days. Okay, day 2. We hope to have the wood frame up today. I bought the roof material yesterday, I had it delivered. That will be my joy. A year ago, when I was walking in the forest, I found a pile of windows. Ken didn't go up there, but he wanted to see them. Maybe we can restore them, he said. So he cleaned a few up. We always hate it when the villagers throw their garbage in the forest, but I have to say this time it came out well. There's nothing wrong with them. Apart from the fact that one villager decided I have to go modern and buy plastic. Whoever it was, thanks. The plan is to have set glass in the bottom fixtures, so that we can still see the garden when we sit down. And in the top section, 2 windows will be centered that can open, and on the sides, whatever space is left over will be glass. And then on the side, we're going to put 2 sets of windows that open.
Made in Turkey with Turkish wood.
Turkish scaffolding.
Screws. You only have to wear football helmets when you're on the porch.
Okay, the roof's getting on.